Hi guys, Healer Kimberly here with your daily food and fitness focus. And today is Sacral Chakra Tuesday. And on Tuesdays, our food focus is liquid, preferably water, 1 to 2 at least, and then supplement with others. I know I'm not crazy about water, so frequently I will have some iced tea or lemonade that I put into the water to make it taste a little better. Sorry, we have some activity over here. I found a nice little spot, but it's also right next to a parking lot, so forgive me. And then yesterday was our lean meat. So yesterday lean meats, today water. Now what water does, water is a conductor of electricity. So as our personal energy vibration is increasing and hydrating all of our cells, what we're enabling to happen then is our personal energy vibration then begins to radiate into every area of our body, and then that brings additional healing. Any bit of positive energy vibration, although still mainly connected to the endocrine system, is going to have a positive impact on everything else in your body, your hair, your skin, your nails. I mean, and that's all included with the endocrine system also. But you just begin to get a glow about you. Being properly hydrated is excellent for your circulation, excellent for temperature control within your body, especially if you're along those hot flash years. And just overall helps you gain energy. When you are dehydrated, you feel lackluster, you feel like, and you don't have a bunch of energy. You can take naps more frequently. So when we're focusing on gaining our spiritual awareness and our personal energy vibration is increasing as a result, it's up to us to help it do all that it can do in a positive way for our bodies. And it takes like literally nothing to do this. So drink plenty of fluid today. Try to make a couple of those actual waters for the day. And I have posted daily food suggestions in comments with this video. Now the exercise for today is super duper easy. Yesterday was a full body stretch, and we carry that full body stretch throughout the whole week, so we'll do that today. And then on Sacral Chakra Tuesday, we also do balance-based exercises. The reason why we do balance-based exercises is because right now we are totally working on building a strong foundation. Okay, yesterday with the stretch and the release of the energy so it can become beneficial in our body. Stuck energy will literally make us sick. That's what we're dealing with today, and we're releasing this sickness idea and sickness mentality and sickness way of being by properly attending to ourselves in a loving way. So stretching, and then the balance-based exercise. Now, today is all about establishing our joy. It's a lot of thought. We're grounding our identity of who we are and bringing about joy into our life and creating a very beautiful, stable foundation from which to work from. And then that's all we have today. Tomorrow we do a stretch, a balance-based exercise, and a walk. So let me put you on pause for just a minute. We'll switch views and we'll get right to those exercises. Okay, so sorry for the interruption, but well, yesterday was our stretch, so let's get right into that stretch, and then I'll show you exactly about how to do these balance-based exercises, okay? So let's go 7 stretches, full range of motion. Let's do it together. I was starting to lose track. Don't forget to breathe. Oh, my back cracked. 6, just 2 more. And this is the last one. Take a big deep breath. Make it count. Oh. Okay, well, we just had a brief interruption. My apologies. The wind blew the stand down. Okay, now the balance-based exercise, easy schmeezy, only 7 each side. Let me show you. Hands on hips, feet shoulder width apart. Step out with your right leg. Bend so your other knee, your left knee, is close to the ground as possible. And back up again. 7 each side, but we alternate. Ready? So that was 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, and that's all there is to it. What's happening while we're doing these small exercises, excuse me, we are not only causing our blood to flow and pump at a higher rate of speed, but because we did the stretch first, we unlocked all that energy. So just from that short bit, I feel like my energy has just increased. Like suddenly, where I felt like kind of when we first started, I now feel like I could take a walk because my energy is properly distributing itself through my own body. This is us consciously making a difference for ourselves. And what did that take? 1 minute, 2, even if it was 5. And it doesn't necessarily need to be that particular balance-based exercise. It could be any. The important part is that it is a balance-based exercise. The important part is that it's easy for you to do, because the Most High makes nothing difficult. It's we who make it difficult. So do your best. Take it easy. Breathe in your newfound self. You have already arrived, and your body feels it. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. I love you. Bye for now.